Alright, let's see, man. I am not going to be able to see nothing in this camera. There's some good boxes. I can't see nothing in these things. Yeah, this is going to be worthless. Alright, let's see what we got here. Had to jerry-rig this light on here. Oh, I'd like to have some box tape. I mean, some bubble wrap. Might need it. These make good mailers too. I'd use these to mail stuff. They're light inside. Lollipops. Gourmet. That's too flimsy to mail anything in. Don't know. Don't see anything I want. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh. Michaels, what were they getting rid of there? It is a brick stitch knit baby blanket. Guess that's your pattern or something. I need my stick. I'm not tall enough to reach down in there. Let's see what I can get. I need my stick. Alright. This might not be long enough. I ain't gonna break out the big long one. It's real late at night. Cut. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it's patterns. Ain't messing with that. I don't see anything else good in here. Oh, there went my stick. I broke the tip off my stick. She was old anyway. I need to get a new one. Anyway, nothing in that, so on we go. Did you see me break my stick? You think that's funny, huh? It still works. It's just not as long. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, I don't know how well this setup's recording, but we'll see how well it does. Oh, what we got in here? Trash. Just regular old trash. Check over here. This is usually all boxes though. Boxes. Oh. Rotational ball is going. Always find a poster in here if you want one. Always throwing those away. Oh well. On to the next one. There we go. That's a few to check, but let's see what we got going on here. This is always the shoe store one. Nautica. No shoes ever, just boxes. Alright. On to the next one. Leaving it on. We'll see what we can get up here. I've never done it with the light on. I'm trying to probably ain't seeing much. This is the one we got all them pops again out of. I know it. And they were all flat. We should have checked them. while we were there, but we didn't. Alright, let's see. Ouch, that hurt my ears. Empty. Slide that back easy. Wow, that's loud. That one's just cardboard and it's welded shut on that side. Yeah. And it's empty too. Alright, on to the next one. Okay. I bet this is just a Dollar Tree. Yep, I bet it is. Wish they had packing material. I could use some of these boxes to ship stuff with, but then they set and you don't. They're all heavier too. No, empty pretty much. Well, ain't doing very good. A lot of people check these dumpsters, so makes it even tougher because I don't even know when to come. I used to come and do good here, but I think all the YouTube videos of people dumpster diving has made everybody want to do it. And these are plain as day on this road. It's a busy road, so people just hurry up and swing by and check it out. This is the pet store, man. This one's usually pretty nasty because they got all the cleaning. Yeah, I see all the dog food on the ground already. But it gets pretty nasty in this one because they clean out all the cages and stuff. Broken aquarium. No, and then that one's just for your... Not looking good at all. Need a score. All I got's bubble wrap. You guys didn't even see that. That's back here. We got some... got me a box of bubble wrap. That's about it going on. So, wow. Do one more here and then we'll have to drink some coffee. I need my coffee. Those never have nothing in them. They always have something gross in them. That one, it's always something food related and nasty. Alright, this one is old Bed Bath & Beyond. I've got some good stuff out of here over the years. They always spray paint it though. So you can't return it, I guess that's the reason. But not a good score tonight. This is a Tuesday night, so I always got to try and remember my days so I know how it worked out for me that night. Alright, I guess I'll stop it here, and if we find some cool stuff or show you what we ended up with, I'll show you that later. Alright, we got something going on. Our little dumpster dive is taking a different turn. It's weird, when we drove through there you couldn't tell where it's coming from. It felt like it was coming. We'll drive through here. I think it's towards the end here, but when we were coming from the other way it was so weird because you couldn't figure out where it was coming from. I don't know if you guys can hear it, hopefully. See, it sounds like sometimes it's over here. I know. Yeah. Probably ain't gonna be good footage. It's so dark. We'll turn all our lights off. All the trucks, rigs are parked here. And then you think it's over here. Now that I know where it's at, it's easier to pinpoint. Anyway, guess that store's alarm has decided to go off. Maybe they don't like the rigs parking there, so they've got that going off on them at night. That wouldn't be very nice. But yeah, we started way over here and we could hear it. And you guys ain't probably seeing nothing. Maybe I'll turn a light on in here, make it better. Where's one of those little lights that we just had? Work right there. Let's see if we can get us a little light in here. You can see my dash, I guess. You can see out the window a little bit. Hold that for me. A little bit. There you go. Anyway, we're going to hit one more. I don't know. Oh! The lights weren't on earlier, were they? Yeah, there wasn't no lights on earlier. I probably think it's us. We won't go check that one. I've never got anything out of that one. Huh. Somebody's went in there. Probably need to shut it off. Yeah, see how the lights are on there on the parking lot and everything. It was dark when we just drove through there. We'll drive through there again. There we go. Yeah. Maybe they come on. Oh no, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so we were done looking. We were just heading. I ain't gonna go behind that store now. You know it? With the alarm going on. It's just been a bust tonight on dumpster diving, I think, for you folks. I'm gonna have to stick with thrifting because that sucks for all them rigs. You know they wanna be sleeping, not hearing that all night. Well, anyway, I don't know what kind of video this is going to be. Just me and my daughter out running around. Have the day off tomorrow, so we thought we'd run around a little bit tonight. But those lights weren't on earlier when we went around, so I don't know. Somebody's probably in there trying to figure it out. It ain't working for them. Well, anyway, if you got this far in the video, that means you've watched it. Sorry. Wasn't a very good one. I'll work on content for you, but sometimes we find stuff, sometimes you don't. But make sure you smash that like button and look for more videos. I'll try and get more out quicker if I got something cool. And I got some neat stuff to show you guys that I got at garage sales and stuff. I'll just have to sit out there in my garage one day and show you some of the stuff we've gotten. Got some pretty neat stuff, but sign off until I see you next time.